Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Think India. Today in Think India Kitchen, we are going to make one of the most lip-smacking and most popular recipes across the world, butter chicken, also known as Murg Makhni. When I ask my German friends what their favorite Indian recipe is, they always say it's none other than butter chicken. So today I'm going to show you the best, perfect and restaurant-style butter chicken. This aromatic and creamy chicken curry is very simple to make. So let's get started. First, let's marinate the chicken. For that you need 400 grams of boneless chicken, salt to taste, half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon ground cardamom, a pinch of saffron, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon for the marination and 3 tablespoons yogurt, 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. First, let's make the marinade. In a bowl, add the yogurt, add all the ingredients. I'm using 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for the marination. Now mix everything well and marinate the chicken for 1 hour. Now let's make the gravy. The ingredients are 3 ripe tomatoes diced, 100 grams butter, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, salt to taste, 4 cardamom, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon sugar, 10 to 12 cashew nuts, 1 onion diced, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 4 tablespoons of cream. So to make the gravy, heat 25 grams of butter in a pan, add onion, ginger garlic paste, tomatoes and just cook it for 2 minutes. Add the cashews, cardamom and all the spices except kasuri methi. We will add kasuri methi at the end. Now add some water, cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Let this mixture cool down completely. Put everything in a mixer and blend it to a fine puree. Now let's fry the marinated chicken. To do this, heat a tablespoon of oil and butter. Add the chicken. Keep turning it in between and just fry it for 10 minutes. The chicken has fried nicely. Now take out and keep it aside. And now let's mix the gravy and the chicken. Heat the other half of the butter in a pan and pass the puree through a sieve. The gravy is supposed to be silky and buttery, so we don't want small pieces of tomato or other ingredients. Now simmer the gravy for 5 minutes and add the fried chicken pieces. Mix everything together. Then add the kasuri methi. This is one of the most important spices for any makhni gravy, so please don't try to skip it. It gives a nice flavor. And now add the cream. Mix everything well and just let it simmer for a couple of minutes. So the butter chicken is done and it's ready to serve. And how was that? Just follow the recipe and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Make it at home, enjoy with your family and friends. If you like the recipe, please like, share it with your friends and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Until next time, Namaste.